So we're looking at the Proteus Excalibur Sky Motion feature, which allows you to set a shape on up to, you have to have basically 4 different IDs of fixtures. It's completely standalone. You have a main fixture that basically drives the whole system. You don't need a console. It's all included in the fixture itself, and it allows you to set up to 10 different shapes. You set the size of the movement, which shape you like, how fast you like it, and you can also control the color. And it's actually an unlimited amount of fixtures you can use. You can use the same ID as many times as you like. So it could just be a row of fixtures, it could be quad packs, 2 different fixtures. The whole idea was really to make these lights completely autonomous, so no control needed. It's basically can be set up by anyone, really. You do not need to have any experience with lighting, with DMX, with lighting control, all integrated into the fixture. The fixtures require very little power, so compared to a larger system with Xenon, in this case, a single fixture actually only draws 700 watts. There's a 550 watt lamp inside every Excalibur. Yeah, and that's just something to make the fixture more usable, because often you have situations where lights are far away from the main control system, so you just want to have some sort of searchlight attraction, like in the corner of an event, a movie opening, red carpet event. And that was really difficult before. You had to transfer data, you have to maybe have a separate console, set it up. And this way, you can actually pre-program it in the shop. Literally just set it up, set up the fixtures in the right position, turn them on, and they're going to go in this mode, and they'll do it all day,